I'm Mike with North Park Water, and I am part of our directional and dead end flushing team that flushes hydrants 2 times a year. We start off with the south end in the spring of the district, which is everything including private areas and subdivisions from Swanson Road south. Followed up 6 months later in the northern half of the district in Roscoe, which is everything north of Swanson Road. Directional flushing is done 2 times a year. It keeps the mains clean, keeps fresh water. Also, it's a good way to inspect to make sure your hydrants are functioning properly. Flushing hydrants is definitely a good way to check pressure throughout the district by just seeing what's there. Certain parts of a district as well require pump stations, so you have to be a little more careful when you're flushing to make sure you don't overdo the capacity of them. Otherwise, you can drop pressure in residential and municipal buildings alike. Greasing as well comes with it too. You want to make sure you can get hydrant caps off and the op nuts work. Along with flushing, maintaining dead end flushers as well, valve maintenance. The district is roughly 1,600 hydrants, so getting them done every year is a big priority and a big task. And it takes myself and 2 other coworkers to fully have the program done. It's very important to flush hydrants multiple times a year, just to, again, keep clean water throughout the district that you can be assured of. We keep clean water stored in towers, but it's very good to keep it restored and going through. It cleans mains, it provides a good overview of how well your district is functioning at an individual level.